In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a smooth reverse edit on CapCut. A lot of people think this edit is really hard to make, but trust me, it's actually super easy. Just follow my tutorial and try it on CapCut yourself. You'll see how smooth and easy it is. So yeah, let's check out the purview. First, add all your clips and adjust them according to the beat. All the clips and materials used in this video are available on my Telegram channel. You'll find the channel link in the video description. Now select the first clip. Go to speed, then curve, and select flash in. Copy my graph settings. Then enable smooth slow motion. Select better quality and apply it. After that, add 2 keyframes to the clip. Go to the second keyframe and zoom in slightly. Now go to graphs and select ease out. Then duplicate the clip and reverse it. After the reverse is done, go back to speed. Select curve again and use the same flash and adjustment. Copy my graph settings again. Then go to graphs and select quad in. Now edit the rest of the clips the same way. Once all the clips are done, go to the manga clips. Select the first manga clip. Add 1 keyframe at the beginning and another at the end. Now go to the first keyframe and zoom in slightly. Then go to graphs and select ease out. Do the same thing for the rest of the manga clips. Now go to overlay and add a black overlay. Make the overlay length 0.1 seconds. And zoom it in. After that, go to mask and select horizontal. Now duplicate the overlay, go back to mask, and enable invert. Then edit the rest of the clips, the same way we edited before. And yeah, edit all the remaining clips like this. Now the reverse edit is done, but we still need to add effects, animations, and overlays to make it look even better. Go to the first clip, then open animation, and add horizontal blur. Set the animation length to 0.2 seconds. Then skip the second clip and add the same animation to the third clip. Continue adding it to every other clip. Now go to the manga pictures and add vertical blur. Apply it to all the manga clips. Now come back to the first clip and add this overlay. Set the overlay length to 0.3 seconds, then make it full screen. Go to Blend and select Soft. Now add 2 keyframes to the overlay. Go to the last keyframe and reduce the soft opacity to 0. Then go to Graphs and select Ease Out. Now duplicate the overlay and place it after every single clip. After that, go to Effects and add Tremor Strobe. Adjust the effect length according to your clips. And yeah, your smooth reverse edit is finally done. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe for more editing tutorials like this.